So it's arrived. It's not the 16th or 17th of July prime. I just don't think Amazon have used all of their tape up. Right, Vantrue F1 motorcycle video system. Birthday tomorrow. Let's see what we've got. It's exciting. Vantrue F1 motorcycle dashcam. Right, see if I can get into this without cutting my fingers off. Oh, the feel of cutting through new plastic on the day before your birthday. What have we got in here then? Nicely packaged, good quality box. Standard security seal. Let's put that away before I snap fingers. Looks like good quality. Interesting bit of paper. 3 internal boxes. What's in box 1? Let's have a look. Cleaning cloth. Set of F1 Falcon 1 instructions. Top tips I've watched so far on the internet said read these. They seem to be mainly in Chinese and Italian, but we'll see what we can do, because you don't read them properly, it ain't going to work properly. Good job I didn't throw that around. That looks like the main unit. Vantrue written on the top. 4 cables outside. Feels very strong and good quality. Some sort of open area on the back. Second, what have we got here? Looks like a 3 or 4 pin cable. Turn that light off, it's flickering away. Another cable. Single pin. Looks like a fairly long cable. Next box. Accessories. Fingers and thumbs. Zip ties. And looks like some double-sided 3M tape of some description. Cut to shape, cut to size. And in here, what have we got in here? Oh, little Allen key. And a small Phillips head screwdriver. These look like some small screws. I'm not going to take these out because I'll end up losing them and I've got the vacuum cleaner. So what else have we got in the box? Looks like another box of bits. Some sort of ball mount. I think it's for one of the cameras, not too sure. Power fuse, clearly marked. ACC accessories, DC battery 1224 volt, and the ground, and a no fall connector. You can see quite obviously where that goes. Back into the box. This looks like the main part of the deal. 1x lens with a protector on the front, 1x camera I should say, and then what have we got in here? Pretty much the same thing. Now, and the controller unit with again another very long cable. So that's the boxes emptied, and that's the equipment that we have on here. Vantrue Falcon F1 unboxed. Looking forward to fitting it. Might make a video for that.